Okay, so I put the Bondo on and let it dry for a day, and then I sanded it, and it's not doing very good, really. Probably gonna need some more Bondo to fill in these little spots right here, like this. That's all the Bondo I got left. And then, this side was looking alright, but it still had small holes, because I think the Bondo, when it dried, it just sunk into them. So that one's looking okay, but this one's not looking very good. Okay, so, I've worked on these for like a couple weeks now, and, it's pretty much ready to paint. Pretty smooth, pretty even. And I'll figure out if I like it or not, and if I have to get a new Fender or not. So I'm gonna paint it now. Okay, I'm getting ready to paint the room, so I'm just gonna show you the paint that I'm gonna use here. It's Rust-Oleum Sunrise Red, and I got this because I heard that Sunrise Red is closest to the Honda Red color, so I'm gonna paint it now. Okay, I'm gonna paint it now. And we'll go to the other side. Oops. Okay, it's probably gonna need a second coat. Okay, just got done putting the second coat on. I'll show it to you real quick here. First coat goes on pretty good. I'm liking the way it looks. You don't even really see the bumps that much. So there it is. Okay, I just got done painting 2 coats and let it dry now. Now it looks pretty good. Don't think I'm gonna have to get a new Fender or anything. Like the way it looks. Painted the toolbox too. That's it. And I just gotta put the seat on. The seat's not on right now.